So the cream cheese and the cream of onion. I mean, use cream of whatever. Cream of mushroom, cream of cheddar, just cream of something, whatever, you know? Hook it up. Whatever's in there, you know? Do it. Yeah, I added a little bit of low-calorie, unsweetened, unflavored almond milk. I have coconut milk. You can use a little bit of coconut milk as well, as long as it's not sweetened. Or you can use whole milk if your family, you know, is into that. I mean, you know, whatever, you know, type of, you know, milk product your family likes. Don't let the summer wolves get you down, baby. What's going in my casserole? So, I crushed up some jalapeno kettle corn chips I found. Oh, and I dropped them. But anyway. What's in your casserole? Mine is filled with love.